Welcome to our journey to Sokcho, a seaside city located between the East Sea and the mountains of Gangwon Province. Its strategic location makes it an excellent choice for visitors seeking to see both the natural splendor of South Korea's coastline and the harsh terrain of Seoraksan. The city is conveniently accessible from Seoul, making it a popular destination for both city people and tourists. Taking the express bus from Seoul to Sokcho is a straightforward and convenient way to travel. You can catch an express bus to Sokcho from two main terminals in Seoul. Seoul Bus Terminal is located in the eastern part of Seoul, near Gangbyeon Station. To get to this station, take Line 4, light blue line, from Seoul Station and alight after 3 stops at Dongdaemun History and Culture Park Station. After that, transfer to Line 2, green line, to Gangbyeon Station. Seoul Bus Terminal is directly connected to exit 4 of Gangbyeon Station. Alternatively, you can take lines 3, 7, and 9 to Seoul Express Bus Terminal Station, located in the southern part of Seoul. Take exit 1, Gyeongbyu and Yeongdong line, to get to the bus terminal. There are 3 types of express bus to choose from. Standard bus, cheaper with fewer amenities. Excellent, more comfortable with wider seats and more legroom. Premium bus, the most luxurious option with even more space and additional services. The cost is from Korean won 17,200 depending on the bus type. There are 2 to 3 bus services from Seoul to Sokcho every hour, with the first bus departing at 6 a.m. and the last bus departing at 11:30 p.m. It takes about 2.5 hours to reach Sokcho from Seoul. You can book the bus tickets online or purchase them at the ticketing office. For online purchase, the link will be provided in the description section. There are many taxis available once you exit the Sokcho bus terminal. You can take a taxi to the city center from there. Taxis are very affordable, and it takes less than 5 minutes to reach the city center. Sokcho is a picturesque city where the stunning peaks of Seoraksan meet the serene waters of the East Sea, creating a perfect blend of natural beauty. With its fresh seafood, vibrant markets, and charming cafes, Sokcho offers a delightful experience for both nature lovers and food enthusiasts alike. Now let us dive into the top 5 things to do in Sokcho. Seoraksan National Park is one of South Korea's most iconic natural landmarks, renowned for its towering granite peaks, dense forests, and clear streams. The park offers a variety of hiking trails, making it a must-visit destination for nature lovers and adventurers. To get to Seoraksan National Park, take public bus number 7 or 721 from either the Sokcho Express Bus Terminal or the Sokcho Intercity Bus Terminal, with buses departing every 30 minutes. The fare is 1,300 won, and the ride takes about 30 to 40 minutes to reach the gates of Seoraksan National Park. The 2 bus terminals are 5 kilometers apart. Alternatively, you can take a taxi, which costs about 15,000 won and takes approximately 15 to 20 minutes. But for those who are not into hiking, there is also a cable car that will take you near the top of the mountain. The cable car station is located in Seoraksan National Park, and it takes about 10 minutes to reach Gwansimsing Fortress, which is 700 meters above sea level. You need to purchase a round ticket, as one-way ticket via the cable car is not available. Cable car ride is adult 10,000 won and child is 6,000 won. Yeongjung Pavilion is a peaceful location with some of Sokcho's nicest views. This classic wooden pavilion is the ideal spot to watch the dawn or just take in the sound of the waves crashing against the rocks. It is perched on a rocky ledge facing the East Sea. The pavilion got its name from a tale that claims the waves here have a sound similar to that of a jeomango, a traditional stringed instrument from Korea. Yongjimjimjing Pavilion offers a serene haven where you may contemplate and take in Sokcho's natural beauty, whether you visit at sunrise or sunset. The 1.74-kilometer Badahyangaro Coastal Trail connects Sokcho Beach and Yeongki Port, offering a unique experience. The trail is divided into two sections, Yeongki, 890 meters, and Sokcho Beach, 850 meters, each with its own distinct atmosphere. The Sokcho Beach section is perfect for a leisurely stroll along the shore, while the Yeongki stretch offers scenic views of the dynamic landscape. The Yeongki area features pristine natural scenery that has remained untouched for decades, as it was once off limits to civilians. It is also well known as a filming location for K-dramas. As you walk along the path by the blue sea, it feels like it goes on forever. Sokcho Beach, one of Korea's premier beaches, first opened in 1976. Its convenient location near Sokcho's downtown and the Express Bus Terminal makes transportation easy, and it is even accessible on foot. The area surrounding the beach is filled with eateries and other establishments. Behind the beach lies a pine forest with a small park and a walking trail. Visitors continue to return to the sandy shore even after the summer holidays, as the sculptures scattered throughout the area are beautiful in every season. Watching the sunset at Sokcho Beach is a peaceful experience as well, with the sky turning vibrant colors over the calm sea. For a taste of local life, head to Sokcho Tourist and Fishery Market, formerly known as Sokcho Jungang Market, the heart of Sokcho's bustling food scene. This traditional market is a sensory delight, with vendors selling everything from fresh seafood to handmade crafts. The market is famous for its dak gangjong, sweet and spicy fried chicken, which is crispy, flavorful, and utterly addictive. At the Sokcho Tourist and Fishery Market, one of the most famous spots for seafood lovers is the crab store, renowned for its fresh, high-quality offerings. The store specializes in locally caught snow crabs and king crabs, which are popular among both locals and tourists. The crabs are displayed live in tanks, allowing customers to select their own before it is expertly prepared on site. Many visitors rave about the rich, tender flavor of the crabs, often steamed and served with simple sides to highlight their natural taste. The store's reputation for freshness and reasonable prices makes it a must-visit for seafood enthusiasts exploring Sokcho. Another unique local treat is the rice wine cake. This soft, chewy dessert is made from sticky rice flour and infused with the subtle flavor of makgeolli, a traditional Korean rice wine. The delicate sweetness of the cake is complemented by the slight tang of the makgeolli, creating a unique taste experience. These cakes are a popular snack among market visitors. For those craving perfectly grilled seafood, do visit the 88 Grill Fish restaurant located in this market. This restaurant specializes in a variety of freshly caught fish, expertly grilled over an open flame to bring out their natural flavors. The smoky aroma of the grilling fish is a signature feature, drawing visitors to the store. Popular choices include mackerel, flounder, and squid, all served with a selection of traditional Korean side dishes, such as kimchi and pickled vegetables. Known for its cozy atmosphere and friendly service, the 88 Grill Fish store offers an authentic taste of Sokcho's coastal culinary traditions, making it a favorite among locals and tourists alike. After spending long hours sightseeing, why not take a rest and enjoy a cup of delicious coffee? Sokcho's cafe culture is a growing attraction that blends scenic beauty with cozy, creative spaces perfect for relaxation. Set against the backdrop of the East Sea and the majestic Seoraksan Mountains, Sokcho's cafes offer much more than just coffee. They provide serene escapes for both locals and tourists alike. In conclusion, our trip to Sokcho has been nothing short of unforgettable. From the breathtaking views of Seoraksan National Park to the serene beaches and vibrant food markets, every corner of this city offers something special. Whether you're a nature lover, a foodie, or someone looking to relax in a cozy cafe with an ocean view, Sokcho has it all. Its unique blend of natural beauty, rich culture, and warm hospitality makes it a place you want to revisit time and time again. No matter how many times you come, there's always something new to discover in Sokcho.